Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for film production management in 2025. Let's start by logging into your UPBASE account. This is your command center where you'll manage all aspects of your film production. It's crucial to keep your login details secure, as this is where sensitive production data is housed. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This gives you a snapshot of your current projects, their status, and critical deadlines. The dashboard is a vital tool because it helps you stay on top of all your projects at a glance. Next up, we're going to create a new project. Click on the New Project button, fill in your project details, and hit Create. This step is where all the fun begins. Your project is now alive, and the platform will help you manage it effectively. Now that we've done that, let's add team members to the project. Go to the Team section and click on Add Members. Here, you input their email addresses, and they'll receive an invite to join the project. This step ensures everyone on your team is looped in and can collaborate seamlessly. The last step involves assigning tasks. Go to the Tasks tab, create a new task, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. This is where the rubber meets the road. Every task created here feeds into your overall project timeline, keeping everyone accountable and ensuring your project stays on track. Let me explain why this matters. With tasks assigned and everyone on board, you have a well-oiled machine set to deliver your film production within the set timelines. So there you have it. That's a quick and easy guide on how to use UPBASE for your film production management. Remember, it's all about staying organized and keeping your team in sync. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.